Hello and welcome to the library. In this video, we'll briefly explore the library's resources. Let's get started. You can get to the library by going to the Quick Links drop-down on the Suffolk homepage. Familiarizing yourself with the library databases and asking for help from librarians can help you be a more successful student. As an online student, you can get research help without coming to the library. Here are two options. You can use chat during library hours to talk directly to a librarian, or you can search our FAQ database for answers to common research questions. For links to all of our research materials, go to the Find Materials tab on the library homepage. From this page, you can access many databases to find books, articles, textbooks, streaming videos, and more. We encourage you to explore these resources on your own or to ask a librarian for help with using them. I also want to point out that we have a guide specifically for business resources. From the library homepage, click on Research Guides. Now select Business from the Subject Guides list. This guide will provide you with a list of business databases, information about business plans, careers in the field of business, and more. In our next video, you'll learn how to use our OneSearch tool to search across multiple databases at the same time. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with your research.